guys, welcome back to Jeremie. I'm showing you guys how to make some delicious arroz con gandules today. All of these ingredients will be listed down below. Just make sure to visit the recipe link on my blog. So we're going to go ahead and get a hot pot going with some olive oil or oil of your choice. We're going to cover the entire bottom with oil. Then we're going to add in our liquids, so our tomato sauce and our sofrito. And then we're going to add in some sazon, and we're going to mix this up and just get it just going and heat it up. And this is the base to many of my Puerto Rican dishes, and if you want the recipes to any of these, be sure to check out the links down below. We're going to add in our pigeon peas, and we're going to mix this up and let it kind of fry up and just get the seasonings just really up in those peas. Once that's boiling a little bit, we're going to add in our white rice. You can use whatever rice you like, but I find white rice works the best for this recipe. Then we're going to use our seasoning of choice. I go for adobo, but you can use whatever salty goodness you'd like. Adobo works best in my opinion. So once that gets boiling, we're going to go ahead and just mix it up a little bit. Just make sure that the seasonings aren't sticking to the top of the water and it's really getting incorporated into the ingredients. Then you can go ahead and cover that pot up with the top, and you can check it every now and then, but we don't want to uncover it too much because then it's going to give us a mushy rice, and that's not what we're looking for. You can mix it up, but just don't mix it up too much because then you're going to get that mushy, sticky, wet rice. So once it's dried up, you're going to go ahead and fluff it up with a fork, and that's basically it. And you can enjoy this, and it's ready to go, and this feeds so many people, and it's just perfect for the holiday. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and make sure you guys hit this video with the thumbs up button if you liked it. Also be sure to subscribe and join the familia, and be sure to check out my social medias. Everything is linked down below. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.